Hello everyone and welcome, and let's take this artwork and turn this into pixel art. Okay, so let's come over to the website. If you don't want to install any software, you want to do it online, so here this is how we can do it. So type in pixel art maker, search for it, and this is the one, pixelartmaker.com. Click on it so it will load. So this is the canvas, pretty simple. So my suggestion is scroll to the center of the screen. All right, and now I will take this image, cartoon house 1. I'll take this and drag and drop. Give it a second and there you go. And let's take a look at the original image. Yeah, it has done a pretty good job turning this into a pixel art. So the interface is pretty simple. We have a pen tool, we have a line tool, fill tool, eraser, and this is a color picker. At the moment this is the color. You can just draw on it, okay, and Control Z to undo. And this is where we can save it as a PNG. So there you go. This is a quick way to turn your images into a pixel art without installing any software. So thank you very much. Give a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you next time.